Welcome to NED Limited, established in 1985. My name is Alex in sales. I'd like to show you around the Ford Kuga that we've recently taken in to stock. Now this particular car is the 1.5 petrol manual configuration. It's the ST line EcoBoost. So this is the has the more sportier trim level, which is found more desirable. More and more people want the ST line as opposed to the other specifications. You've got the titanium, which is equally as well equipped and popular. Right then, so this one's got the automatic daytime running lights, offering crisp and clear visibility in those low lit conditions. It's got front and rear parking sensors, diamond cat alloy wheels. The tyres are in excellent condition. It's got privacy glass rear windows. This would make, in my opinion, the perfect and most ideal family car, as it's not too big and daunting to park and such, but it's also more than big enough for your amenities and practicalities. If you take these two cars here, you've got an Audi A1, which is a baby hatchback, and then you've got a medium-sized hatchback, also same platform as the Volkswagen Golf, the Audi A3. These two cars could not possibly be big enough if you've got a growing family, which is why you want something at least this size. But on the other hand, we've also got a Volvo XC90, which is great if you've got a big family, but if you've got a medium-sized family, you want one of these. Really nice sporty design here, all the swage lines at the back and across the body on the side. That's all thanks to the ST line specification. It's awaiting preparations, which means it is due for a clean, but that will be all sorted for you in no time. It's got a rear parcel shelf as well. The tailgate is nice and easy to open and close, hardly takes any force. In fact, the whole car operates in ease. Even all the electronics, so you don't have to be a technical genius to operate it. The car is very clean inside and out. Even the 6-foot pluses can fit here with ease. You've got height adjustable headrests, armrests with 2 cup holders, ISOFIX, ventilation charger, black headlining, which is more seen as sporty on cars. Seats fold all the way flat to the floor. Let's get inside just before it rains. Just taking you onto this side. I think it's a really good looking car. It drives nicely, handles beautifully. Let me show you the performance figures. So take a screenshot if you will, guys. But look at that, 45 to the gallon. That's going to be most useful for you. And it's done just over 51,000 miles, proving it low mileage for the age of the car. Really nice layout here. Lovely upholstery, nice and soft and cushiony, which is what you want, especially for a long journey. Leather in Alcantara with the red sporty stitching. I love the display on here as well, the multimedia system, and uses sync Ford infotainment, so that's the multimedia system that they used. Sync is Ford trademark. You've got navigation, you've got DAB radio, you've got Bluetooth on there as well, the telephone, and you've also got dual zone climate control here as well. And the car can actually park itself through park assist. It's got a 6-speed manual set up. I think this is really cool and clever as well. It's got a nice little tray for your sweets, for your change for parking, and you've also got USB slots which are lit up a little bit, so it makes it easier to see in the dark. You've got somewhere to put your glasses. I think that's a nice touch. Wish more cars did that. Thank you so much, guys, for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to make an inquiry, give us a call on 01432 270 200. We'll get this car prepped and ready for you as soon as possible. There'll be photos to follow on from this video. And again, once the car's prepped again, we'll redo the photos. We offer finance at 9.9% APR. Make sure to bring your driver's license for a test drive for insurance. But thank you once again, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.